The first statement in this word problem tells us that the sum of three numbers is 396. So we obviously have three unknown variables. Let's call them x, y, and z. And we know that if we add all three of them, we're going to get 396. The next piece of information we're given is that the number x is equal to double the sum of the other two numbers. So we can write that out as an equation. We would say that x equals 2 multiplied by y plus z. So that's double the sum of y and z together. Now, what we're trying to find is the value of x. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this here so that x is equal to 2y plus 2z. Now with that done, I'm going to go back to this green equation and rewrite it by replacing x with 2y plus 2z. So then we would have 2y plus 2z plus y plus z equals 396. From there we can combine our like terms together and we would have 3y plus 3z equals 396. Now this can look a bit tricky at this point because we still have two variables, so we can't really solve for them, right? However, what we can do is try to use the elimination method here. Notice that we have a 3y and a 3z. So if we were to take this original equation up here, x plus y plus z equals 396, if we were to multiply everything by 3, then y and z would also have the same coefficient of 3. Let me show you what I mean. So if I multiply everything by 3, we would now have 3x plus 3y plus 3z equals 1,188. Now if I rewrite this equation below it, so it would be 3y plus 3z equals 396. Now if I were to use the elimination method by subtracting this green equation from the red one, then those would both cancel out. See, now we will have an equation with only one variable, and we can easily solve for x. So then if we subtract 1188 minus 396, we get 792. And then our last step would be to just divide by 3. And we get an answer of 264. And that's exactly what we were looking for. So that would be the value of x. All right, hope that's helpful, and thanks for choosing JD's Prep.